Why did you have to break my femur? Ah!
We can start with that.
Well, that's gonna stay in. That's your introduction.
Absolutely.
I hope I never have like an actual good intro for any video I ever do. I just want to have like whoever I'm on with do something completely stupid, just absolutely so dumb.
Yeah. Or you could just start with
That's
that.
what I meant. You're
It's
stupid.
the perfect scream.
Toad, you're stupid. That's what I meant.
Oh, sad.
Holy crap! This man's shooting his balls at me.
Oh. I'm not gonna question it. I'm watching YouTube now.
You better not.
No. He's in half. Nice. Nice. That's a pretty good goal, girl. All of them are good.
Yeah. Ow! Can you I just got like turned into just like I just got dustified. I just got like pulverized by that snakey. I hope I never speak. I hope I'm never allowed to speak in like a big gathering ever in my life.
Yes.
If I get any message ever of somebody telling me that I'm unoptimally playing Doom, of course I am. What do you think I am? Good? Wait, how did that go in his mouth? That literally went above his head, and that ended up in his mouth somehow.
Oh.
I can't aim. Explain to me why I can't aim. There we go. Give me that. Chainsaw! I like that chainsaw. This is my heaviest hitter so far in weaponry. Second that, oh, there he is. I was going to say snake, but there's the Hell Knight. Oh, wait, is the Hell Knight dead? Oh, it is. Oh, it's lag, it's lag, it's lag, it's lag, it's lag it is.
Oh.
Is lag it is. This is very lag. This is a hard battle. I don't remember this fight at all. I don't remember it. I think the issue is I'm using my saving throw immediately because I'm an idiot. And then I don't have it. Okay, how the heck? Okay. Let's try this again! This is why I have Toad. Not for that, surprisingly. Contrary to popular belief, I don't have him because he's annoying.
Oh.
I brought him here because he's good at he's good at making me focus. He's good at focus talking me with his bread. They don't have context to the bread.
Kill them.
They don't have context to the bread story, dude. They don't have context.
Good.
They don't know the bread story.
Good.
I think you're gonna have to.
bread.
You might have to reenact the bread story during the fight.
I do not remember the bread story.
Dude, do you not understand? It's literally just you in detail explaining bread.
Oh, bread, right. So bread is like
Wait, no, not
really
yet.
cool?
We have to do it like during the fight.
Oh.
Because otherwise I won't have motivation for life. Give me your body! That's a bad guy. No, I don't want to lock on Rocket, the snake. Not snake. What the heck? Did you see that Hell Knight's corpse?
Who is this? Who hath joined?
Nobody joined. It's still me. Nobody
Wrong.
joined, Toad. Nobody joined. Toad, nobody joined. I
What's
think you're
this?
paranoid.
Yo.
Oh, Biz is here. Hi, Biz.
Yeah, no, they're very paranoid.
They should be. They should be if it was you joining.
You're right, but no.
Oh, I wanted to punch your skull in so I could get health. I didn't want you to die instantaneously. Without context, that sounds horrible. It sounds horrible anyway. Oh, hi, Mr. Man. I'm gonna chainsaw you. I need ammo. I'm gonna blow you up. Oh my god, did you see that corpse?
He's flying.
Yes,
Holy shit.
Oh no! Did you see the making this ragdoll? He just went spinning, dude.
I did.
He just went spin. Make him a spin.
He went up and then just spin. He was in Spain with the ah.
He lives in Spain without the A, or without the, yeah.
Spin.
No, he doesn't live there, he is the.
He is.
He is.
He's a place.
He's spin without
You
the
can
A. He's spin.
go in him and on him.
No! Fizz!
I'm confused.
I'm trying to not get, like, I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to be alive. Not murdered.
He's a real destination. Is that what we're saying? Or...
I don't want to talk to you anymore. I can deal with your. I'm fine with your bullcrap when on the server, but not on Toad.
Experience?
Not with Toad. Toad does
I
not
didn't know
need
this was a sensitive topic.
Shut!
Apologies.
Ah, the shotgun man! He's shotgunning me with his shotgun.
I thought you just said you guys weren't.
What?
What?
What? What? I am scared.
No, my Eminem.
You did lose. Oh,
No.
his neck gober. Oh!
I got it back.
His M&Ms, no.
I have a
Oh
huge
no,
stack
there's a
of
snake!
M&Ms.
There's a snake! I don't like snakes! Ooh.
You don't like snakes?
No, I love snakes, but
How do
this
you not
game...
like snakes?
I love snakes, I don't like the whiplashes though. I don't
kinda
like,
crazy.
I don't like
Doom.
doom,
Like snakes.
I don't like doom snakes. I like real life snakes. I don't
Okay,
like-
what's your favorite
Ah!
type of snake?
No, I'm not a snake enthusiast, I just had one, I liked him. He also bit my dad.
You didn't even know what morph it was.
No, it was a, I don't know, he was long and he was a corn snake. He was a long corn snake.
That's not a morph.
A morph is a mix of two things.
Oh. Well, that's what, I don't know what snakes are. What's a snake?
Like, okay, so
Dude,
in ball python twerks,
did you just say twerk?
yes.
I don't want
Yeah,
to be
ball
part of you.
pythons do that a lot.
I don't want to be a part of anything to do with you. If that's what you're going to talk about all day.
Like, they have, cobra
he pulsated.
morphs for, like, hognose snakes and
Dude,
stuff.
he pulsated before
And,
he
like,
died.
color morphs. Like,
Well, he
Lesser
didn't-
is the ball python color morph.
He didn't have
and
the
they're
funny
hot.
frill. I don't know what that is.
Tricolor hognose snakes, that's a type of snake that looks different from a plains hognose snake. It's not a morph of a plains hognose snake. You know what? I'm gonna lecture you when you get back to school.
I don't want you to.
Well, sucks to be
If I
you.
had popcorn instead of the M&Ms, I would be very...
Whoa, that's just so... I don't know what that is, but
If
it's
if his corn was popped. Instead of unpopped
Now that's
corn.
just intense.
Sus.
Give me your health! He didn't give
Whoa.
me his health.
What
Give
were
me
you
your-
doing with your tongue?
I pressed the 9 button on my keypad.
He
That made the
activated,
sussy Among Us imposter
he
sound.
activated his Among Us board.
Yes.
That's...
I do not like
Find it all
whiplashes.
of
I don't
existence.
like whiplashes. Why does this game have snakes? Why does this game have big, scary death snakes?
So you can kill them and then eat them.
No, but I don't want to kill them. I just want the snake. I want a
Solomon,
normal
I'm sorry
snake.
that you had to see what my teeth looked like before I had braces.
I
And like,
did.
for the first time at least.
I did? I don't remember your teeth.
Yes.
I never looked at your
It looks horrifying. I'm looking at pictures of me with my friend Grace, because Grace is hot.
Oh,
And my teeth were horrible.
well, that's good to know.
No
least you
one's
can't see my
face should
teeth.
look like that.
I've
I
seen your
had red
teeth,
hair at
Toad.
one point.
You did?
I forgot that I dyed my hair red.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I out ginger the Scottish person.
You know what? I want to have red hair again. No, I want to have orange hair. That would be fun. Then I could be you, Solomon.
No, you
Let's go for
can't.
brown hair. It's the best hair.
You can't out ginger an actual ginger. You can't out ginger an actual ginger.
Are you doing like impressions of characters from Lord of the Rings or something?
Yeah, it's
No,
a Gollum
it's just
screech.
this is the Toad voice. I am Toad. I make Toad voices.
That's his toad scream. That's the screech of the toad. It's.
I'm
If you
pretty
hear
sure that's
that,
Gollum, but like,
if you hear that,
Anywho.
if you hear that,
Gollum.
if you hear that in your house, it means you're gonna die. It also means you're gonna get
No.
lectured about how Vaporeon is a very good Pokemon to do the do with.
Yeah. So
I'm fine with
they're
that because I kind of agree.
Did you see what Toya said? Toya
Yo.
said it's growing on him.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
was funny,
we
but he
finally
only said that
accepted
after
another
you
into the
said
cult.
it, which is kind of quirky of you.
No! It was after Toad and I both said it. It was also like the 8th time we said it.
It wasn't after you
Yeah,
said it.
but it was immediately after you wrote it. Well, not immediately, because I wasn't actually paying attention. Wow, I am creepy.
You're the
I'm
creepy
glad
one.
you noticed.
No, I'm looking at stuff and am I a creeper or what?
Yes, you
Creeper.
you are. You're a
Oh
Minecraft
man, I don't know what works.
Like, I know my characteristics for my friends. Can either of you sing?
No.
No.
Yay.
Thanks. Look at all the armor on the floor, Toad.
Give.
I'm sorry I had to end this way, man, but I really need ammo. I'm just gonna chainsaw you.
My mom was hot.
What the fuck? What is?
Biz, Biz,
This?
do you need to say something about yourself? How dare you use my own tricks against me, Saul? Oh no, it's this room! Oh, it's the Mancubus room! Toad, it's the Mancubus room! Help me! This is the room before the SSG. This is the room. Oh, hi, Lost Souls! That's the room before you get the
I'm gonna go
SSG.
pet my cat.
Go pet your cat,
Wait, what's your cat's name?
Panger.
Panger. He's a good boy.
I know him better than
I'm
Toad.
madly in love with your cat. Oh, hello, Nit-Nit.
I'm gonna pet the pussy.
I'm already petting a pussy. Get on my level.
Well, it's a lot easier when you...
Oh, jeez. Oh.
That's not what I was gonna say, but okay. This is the Mancubus room. Please acknowledge that I hate this room. This is my least favorite room in the entire game. It's horrible.
It's okay, it's okay,
This
it's
area,
okay.
this one area caused me the most pain out of any part of this game. Almost.
Your belly's touching the ground. You're so cute.
What?
Oh. My cat's cute
I mean, yeah.
and fat.
Have you seen Hoodie?
Yeah, but your cat's fat in a different way. My cat's
getting
belly
the-
just
I'm
goes
getting the
down.
cat
Your
cam
cat's
on.
belly goes to the side.
I'm putting up the cat cam.
He's putting up his cat cam. You get to watch his cat. You get to watch.
You also see the tub of bottles of water. The bottle.
Oh yeah,
of
you
water.
also get to see his bottle tub, filled with tubs of bottles. Wait.
I'm fine with looking at that.
No. Biz, no. Biz, no. Biz, that's illegal. You're illegal. You're not
No.
legal. You are illegal.
Dude, I'm 16. Shush. Be gone.
Be gone. Fuck.
That is illegal, and I usually go towards the law.
Ah!
in Those things. No, that's
Solomon?
You don't have context.
I
I
don't
just,
think there's a law.
I just blew myself up. You don't have context. You know, I tried to rocket jump and it didn't work. I blew my legs off. It blew my legs up.
Where do you live again, Toe? Like Scotland or
Not
something?
Scotland.
Yeah,
Forever.
I will
I drink
personally
tea and
come
I
to
cook
Scotland just to steal your cat.
No, you're not allowed. He's my boy.
Dude, he's literally
He's mine.
He's literally going to toad you. He was literally going to toad you. He's gonna give you the toad.
He's
treatment.
mine.
He will literally give you the toad treatment.
No, you're coming over here.
You can't take
boy.
Panger. You cannot take Panger. Panger is immortal. Panger is the god cat. Panger is amazing.
Come here.
It's hot.
Panger is a good.
No, he's
Alright.
a good boy.
Thanks for the chainsaw fuel. Now where's that snake? I need to blow it up.
Okay, since he moved, we'll get better cat cam.
My cat
Never mind.
smells.
My cat smells of gasoline.
Literally, yeah, he was literally like, his cat came into his room and he was like, wait, why do you smell like gasoline, Panger? Panger?
There he is.
The last time I went to Florida, there was this one dude,
Why are we talking
and
about
the
Florida?
gas, he took the gas, he didn't put the gas thing into his car, right? And,
He's
I
sticky as
started
well.
spraying all over his car and over everything, and then, like, the gas station almost caught on fire and blew up, so that was fun.
Oh.
I like Florida.
I also dislike Florida.
No, it's hot there.
Exactly.
It's hot there? Ew.
Yeah, it's really warm.
He
It's
lives
annoying.
he lives in cold. Toad lives in cold. He only knows cold.
It's 23 degrees Celsius. I'm
Oh.
on fire.
Oh. Well, he's supposed to only know cold.
I hate it here.
It's
Too
cold.
hot.
It's colder in Minnesota than in Scotland. How does that feel?
Scotland is beautiful. I didn't know what Scotland looked like.
Oh, Scotland, I can show you.
Wait, where's the
there are
last?
some fun pictures with cows in them. That's nice.
It
Oh.
looks like that.
It
Toad,
looks like Spider-Man.
Toad,
Whoa.
I,
looks like that.
I thought
Toad.
so.
Toad, I just
Looks
second,
like that.
Toad,
That.
Toad,
It's pitch black.
shut,
It's really pretty there. There's just so many
Toad!
colors.
What do you want?
I just second tried the Mancubus room. That gave me like that took me like 3 hours in my first playthrough of Nightmare.
Apparently Netflix has videos, well, not videos, whatever they're called, series that take place in Scotland.
Yeah,
That's fun.
That's how that works. That's
I mean,
Wow.
I wouldn't know today.
That person has ugly glasses.
Oh, that's just
So, do you
mean.
wear glasses and have long brown hair?
Short, well, my hair goes long if I leave it.
How
I take
long
my-
is your hair?
He is long. Wait, no.
Oh, Solomon.
No!
About my shoulder
Whoa, Toad
because I couldn't be
Senpai.
bothered to cut it. And then I couldn't put the VR on, so I cut it.
You could
Oh.
put the VR on. Dude, your VR barely works. It literally crashes every 5 minutes.
Give me a second, I have to go put my VR on.
I have to go put my virtual reality upon myself.
I mean, it's right here. I'm gonna put the cat. No,
Do not put the cat inside of the VR.
I'll make the cat do Crab Gordon.
No. Whoa, I think I found them. Whoa.
Toad, so I remember how hard this area was. I found the easier version of it.
Did you?
Remember how I was doing it wrong and I was making it overly complicated by going through those doors and doing like insane parkour?
Now I smell of gasoline. It's cat dewormer. I don't know why it smells just absolute ass, but it does.
I don't really mind it.
And then he gets all
Smell it.
grumpy when he gets dewormed.
For like 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then he gets all normal and just sleeps.
Normal cat behavior is sleeping. It's just normal.
Yes. Anyway, I'm thirsty.
Nice. Imagine being thirsty couldn't be. What is that? Bitch, what did you just send?
What is Tiad?
It's Toad.
Spelled wrong. But close enough, close enough.
You know.
You bully. Wait a minute.
Who is...
Oh no. Oh, the Revenant section! I love this! I get to
My
be- I
dad
get to-
has pictures of me sleeping on
Toad,
his laptop.
Toad, I get to become Doot. That's not a good thing to say in front of the internet.
Doot, 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 doot.
I am Doot.
The
For
Revenant.
context, I don't think
The
that's
trumpet.
weird. I think they were just funny pictures. I don't think it was those. I don't think it's for a weird reason, I hope.
It's not. My dad
Okay.
just thought it was cute because my dad thinks I'm adorable because I'm adorable. Agree with me.
I don't.
You will now talk to the cat.
Okay, I'll agree with you this once.
Oh, that's so nice
didn't
of
want
you.
it, so I didn't.
You are just so kind.
I get to
I
become
don't know.
Dude. I get to come Dude. I get to come Dude.
Come?
I get to come Dude.
Come.
I am the Dude. I am Dude. I refuse to die on the Dude section. I'm good at Dude. I'm good at duding others.
Oh, you are?
No, that's not. Do you even know what Dude is? Do you even know the funny joke?
I don't need to.
No, you do. You do. It's very funny.
No, I don't.
Show
And
her
I
Dude.
really
Show
don't want
her.
to.
Show her the
Don't
Dude.
Show me.
Show her
Don't,
the
please
Dude.
don't show me.
Show her. She must know the
Don't
beauties
listen
of
to
Dude.
Solomon. Solomon's dumb.
She must. He knows that. Why else do you think I brought him with me?
Solomon's pants are all green.
They are.
Don't listen to people who wear green pants.
Literally every single pair of my pants is green. They're all the same.
Okay, but I really did like your belt. I want that belt.
Oh.
If your belt goes missing, it wasn't me.
It was. It's always you.
I had a reason to be using it. I promise.
Oh look! I got my SSG. I got the SSG.
No! That's, I'm like, no.
What?
No.
What? Look,
No.
old people be
I'm
like.
not buff. No.
Old people be
No,
like.
wrong.
Ah, dude.
Yes, I'm the dude.
Minecraft.
I just closed
The
this.
Revenant's corpse just did a backflip.
Anyway, I'm turning off the mic, the...
Oh, I didn't like
The
that.
cat.
Oh, is that Quake? No. Darn. Wait, is that Quake?
Hello.
Oh, yo, dude, look, it's the Quake symbol. Look,
Hmm?
look, it's the Quake symbol.
Cool, don't care.
No.
Hello. Good boy.
Oh, I forgot I could dash. Nice.
Hello. Good boy. Good cat. Good boy.
Well, I
The
got
KKK looks so scary.
fast hands. I want that upgrade. I'm gonna get the fast hands upgrade. I'm gonna save for it. I need faster. Oh God. Of course. Of course you did. Of course you had to.
I'm
Get
gonna close my window.
inhale my ball, my explosive ball.
I know some people who'd be willing to.
No.
Oh, Jesus, man. What the fuck? Sorry, Panger.
Hopefully, I don't know any of them. Now I'm afraid.
No, you do. You do.
Oh no!
Who?
I don't want to know.
Toad's voice.
Just call
Toad's voice is amazing.
Nice.
Toad has funny voice.
Can you say who again?
I can finally efficiently kill Hell Knights. I have the big gun.
Right, Cat Cam will be back up in a few seconds.
Okay,
I just need to
I want to see
reconnect
more
stuff.
of your cat. Give me a minute. I need to see more of your cat. Wait, no.
Well, it's in now.
Oh! Oh, I returned to the gravy! Aha!
Your cat looks soft.
I got turned
He's
into
very
gravy! He turned me into gravy!
Oop. Nookie fluff.
Oh, Panger. Panger just turned me into gravy.
He fluff, he fluff.
Panger
Stop.
Panger
My finger just disappears.
Panger gravified me.
He killed you.
He made me gravy. It was quite nice of him.
Oh. I'm not the peach. No. That is misinformation you were spreading. I'm disappointed.
Your
Family
voice.
issues to KKK.
One thing I didn't know that I now know is that you can change the difficulty of Doom Eternal mid-run. So to prove that I'm not on a lower difficulty, here is Nightmare right here.
Wow, that I don't care.
That wasn't to you.
Oof.
I know.
Ah!
I still
There's a
like
snake!
adding
Why?
more
Why?
onto things.
I just got kamikaze skulled. A skull shot into me and blew me up. Ah! Somebody's head flew in my face and killed me. Wait.
I looked up generic Scottish teen to be funny. To find myself, and no, they're not.
What?
They're not generic.
It's Jojo
Damn, this
Cujo,
guy.
but if he was Scottish.
No. Let me put my head into the picture.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, look, it's
There
Toad!
you go.
Toad face reveal! Toad face reveal! Look, Toad face reveal! In case you don't understand the funny, it's, not his actual face.
Let me just remove this money bag. I would put the funny helmet on, but the cat doesn't like it.
Oh. You'd become a bread boy, but your cat doesn't like your bread boy? Wait,
Yeah.
I said that horribly wrong. I said that horribly wrong, that's not what I meant. Ah, the skull! The flying thingamajigger! Ah! I got turned into gravy by the man, by the skelly man, by the skelebuns.
So grumpy cat.
I got turned into gravy by the bone.
You just grave.
Yes.
Eat. This is gonna hurt my skull.
This is the last try on this area, and then
I'm
I
putting this back.
am going to tackle the rest of this area in like 5 seconds afterwards. Oh, it's the Cacodemon, or the Cacodemon.
The Cocodemon?
No, not the
A
cock.
ball sack.
That's a different demon.
They are a ball sack.
They're not a ball sack.
Yes, they are.
They're in fact a proud and independent demon.
No.
You're gonna say ball sack.
Why do you think I would say such horrible things?
Well, it seems like something you would say.
It totally is.
No, my
Every
hand's
other word
round.
that comes out of your mouth is either cock or balls.
No, it's not. Toad can vouch for me on that, right, Toad?
No, I can't.
Crap, oh no. Oh, hi there, big snaky lad. I don't like you. I don't like how snaky you
Big
are.
sneaky.
I don't like how snaky he is. I don't like how snaky he is. He's very snaky. Hello, Panger. Panger's good. Panger best boy. Died. Panger best boy. Hey, Panger. Panger's good. I sound like my aunt when I say Panger.
Are you your aunt? I don't think that. I'm confused.
No, I said I sound like my aunt when I say Panger.
So are you?
No!
Are you your auntie? Whoa.
Ugh.
Oh. Ho ho ho.
Oh,
not-
is this
not-
new information I'm not aware of?
You're aware of every little thing. You
Okay,
know
bye.
everything. Oh, did you just? Oh, I thought you were going to bed at like 3 in the morning. You don't. But you always go to bed much later than that, or much earlier than that, depending on your perspective. Oh, I did. Well, I guess I'll tackle the rest of this
One sec.
level later.